Hey guys, welcome again to this new video. In this video, you are going to learn how to convert complex HTML to PDF. Oh yes, complex HTML to PDF, and also converting a direct URL to PDF. Okay, without further ado, let's dive straight to the page. So this page called shippdf.com is a product built by Result Arena. So we just deployed it. So at the moment, it is available for the public to use. So what does it do? You can pull in your HTML file regardless of how complex it is. Either URL or HTML file is going to convert it. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to try with google.com. So I'm going to click on convert to PDF, and it's going to process the conversion. And once it's converted, then it's going to be generated as PDF. As you can see, this is the PDF that was triggered, and you can set what's it called, your width and your height, definitely. So let's pass in 1500 width, 1500 height, and if I click on convert, it's still also going to process it and convert it. So this time around, we've tested for URL. So this is an actual URL conversion. So the next one I want to do now is to pass a raw HTML. So let's just try it out. So I'm going to pass in h2 testing PDF, and we have h2. So I'm going to click on convert. So we have h2 testing, which is the raw HTML. So at the moment, as you can see, this is the raw HTML testing PDF, which is cool. Then also you can upload a PDF file. So I'm going to upload a very complex PDF file. So before I do the upload, I'm going to go to my desktop and click on the file. So I'm going to click on the complex PDF. As you can see, this is the complex PDF. So this PDF was generated from a product that we launched 2 years ago, this product here. So this is the PDF. This is the output of the PDF. So this PDF is an HTML file. So I'm going to use this file to push the PDF over here. So I'm going to select the file. Okay, so I will select the complex PDF file.html. So I will click on open, which is an HTML file. Don't forget. So whenever you upload an HTML file, it's going to override the input of this area. Okay, so I'm going to click on convert to PDF, which is an actual HTML that has no images, a lot of things, very complex. Okay, so once that is done, you can either download or view the PDF. Okay, but for this sake, I'm going to click on view PDF. As you can see, this is the output of the PDF, which is absolutely cool. So yeah, and also not just testing at the page, you can access it through API. So I'm going to open my Postman and go to generate PDF API endpoint. So a post is going to be sent to this URL. Okay, so the param body is file or HTML or URL pointing to this to this link, and we have the API key, which is this, which is the public API key for now. So the file name is passed, the width is passed, the height is passed. So the same applies. You can also pass in file, that is changing it to file or changing it to anything like raw text. Okay, so I'm going to click on send, and this should generate the PDF and return a base 64 PDF file. So I'm going to copy the base 64 and preview it with our preview endpoint. So you can you can decode the base 64 from your programming language, regardless of the programming language you're using. Just decode the base 64 and you can preview it. So I'm going to use this endpoint to decode what I just generated. So you can always decode using your programming language. So I'm going to click on send, and this is going to decode what I just printed. As you can see, this is it here. So let's also try to generate the complex HTML file that we tested the other time. So I'm going to select from my local machine. I'm going to select the complex PDF. Select. So that has been selected. Oh, sorry. This is the file name. File name is different. File name is results.pdf. Okay. Whilst the file or HTML is the file. So I'm going to click on the file, complex pdf.html. Cool. So after that is done, then I'm going to click on send, So it's going to send the complex HTML down to the server and the server is going to process it. Okay, cool. So this is a lot of base64 content. So I have to scroll to the bottom. Let me see if scrolling down to this page, okay, actually works. Cool. So I'm going to copy the content and I'm going to go to the preview and enter the content over here. There's a lot of content. Okay, so I think the content just dropped. Let me try to put in the content again. It's a lot of base64 content. Okay, so just the code from your programming language to make things faster. Don't use this URL to preview the PDF, which is really bad. So it's trying to showcase it. As you can see, this is the output of what we just generated. And if you notice, nothing is broken. Everything is intact perfectly. Yeah, so you can take advantage of this API, use your projects. It's really cool. And even though charges is going to come in later, it's going to be very, very affordable. Thanks once again for checking out this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.